My daughter thinks she's a diva, so it would be like this. Here goes my daughter. I am the shit. You can't tell me nothing, bitch. My mom told me I can do anything that you do. Okay, don't you see this? I'm for trend. Don't you see this, bitch? I'm the shit. I'm fly Brianna. I'm the shit. And I go hard, bitch. My mom snack. My dad's son, he's a rapper. I can hear him right now. Shit in the bitch in the fucking head. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, shit, I don't even want to go. But I'm going somewhere. I don't even want to leave off the stage. I feel so at home up here. I'm swaying and shit. I'm feeling alive. I love y'all so much, real. Y'all know I'm sensitive. Y'all become my Facebook friend. I'll be getting all emotional. You know, I just be blacking out. I don't even give a fuck. I be going on my baby dad hard on his page. Like, fuck you, bitch. I got his phone number and everything. But I want your friends to know what the fuck we arguing about. So they can talk to you like, B, what you doing, baby? This bitch done stabbed me again. You know she tripping. You know that's how she is. Shit. But I'm about to be out. I'm Snacks. I appreciate all the love and support. Check me out on Facebook at Tawanda Snacks Porter. Twitter me, Snacks609. Emo Salone. I love y'all.
What niggas gon' do, ho? Just a new crack on a new stove. Bring 2 low, do that. It's telling me, you back. You never ever left about this dick. And if life a bitch, they suck my dick.